In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage campaigns in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your campaigns, how to start a new one, and how to keep everything organized so your reporting stays clean and reliable. First, head to your HubSpot home screen. This is the main dashboard you land on after signing in, where you'll see recent activity and quick links. From here, look to the top navigation bar, hover over or click the marketing section in the main menu, then choose campaigns. If you don't see campaigns in your menu, you may need additional permissions or a subscription that includes the campaigns tool, so check with your account administrator. Once you're on the campaigns page, you'll see a list of existing campaigns along with filters for status, owners, and dates. This view is great for a quick overview of what's running, what's planned, and what's completed. Use the search bar or filters to find a specific campaign. You can sort by creation date or performance to bring the most important items to the top of the list. From this same screen, you can create a new campaign. Use the Create button to start a fresh campaign and give it a clear descriptive name like Q3 Webinar Series or Holiday Promo 2026 so your team can recognize it at a glance. Add a start and end date to frame the reporting window, and consider setting a goal, such as influenced contacts or revenue, to keep your team aligned. If you track budgets internally, record that here as well. The real power of HubSpot campaigns comes from associating assets. Connect your emails, landing pages, forms, social posts, ads, blog posts, and CTAs so all engagement rolls up into one place. If you already use UTM parameters on links, make sure they're consistent with the campaign name to keep attribution clean. To manage an existing campaign, open it from the list to see the performance dashboard. Here, review sessions, contacts, new customers, and influenced revenue. If something looks off, like strong traffic but low conversions, drill into the associated assets to refine your messaging, adjust your offer, or optimize forms. You can edit campaign details, add or remove assets, and update the timeline as plans evolve. If a campaign wraps up, mark it completed or archive it to keep your workspace tidy without losing historical data. That's it. Start from the HubSpot home screen, navigate to marketing, then campaigns, and from there you can both create and manage campaigns with confidence. Keep names consistent, associate every asset, and watch your reporting become clearer and more actionable.